Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and I'm happy to be back making my first video in a little while here. I just want to say thank you to everyone that has continued to watch my videos. It's fun to be able to still converse with people in the comments. And if you didn't see my last video, I mentioned how sometimes people need to put their priorities first, and sometimes you just need to put your hobbies on the side. My son was born very early at 25 weeks, and he came home in the middle of October. I've had a lot of adjustments at home. I've been changing jobs, and it's just been a very hectic time for me. I've been currently working about 5 12-hour shifts a week between my two jobs, and it's just been really busy. But I just want to say that I am very dedicated to this hobby. I think it's a lot of fun, and I'm really going to get back into making videos for this year. One thing I really want to do is try to revamp my lockpicking homeschool series, try to get back into my Saturday video where I can really reach out to the community, promote some of the smaller channels, which I really think is a lot of fun to do on my Locksport Update video series. I think the biggest hurdle was getting my camera set back up and getting my room ready. So with everything set back up, hopefully I'll be able to get more content out there. What I'm going to be working on next is going to be an unboxing, which you can see right here. This is a multi-pick set that was sent to me to check out, unbox and review. I'm really looking forward to sharing that with you. The last time I got something from Multipick was the Chronos. This is a really cool tool. And if you've seen it in my video or any other videos, this is a really cool thing to have. And I'm really looking forward to checking out this new set. So coming up is going to be a pretty cool unboxing video. I'm going to get some experience with it after I unbox it and do a review. And then I want to get back into making some regular format videos. Just want to say thank you to everyone that continues to support me. It's really cool to see my channel continue to grow, and I look forward to seeing how this year will progress. That's all I have for you today. If you guys have any questions or suggestions or anything at all, please feel free to leave that right in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you all have a great day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.